Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story, first of all, you have to customize your audience from your story. In order to do so, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner of this interface. That will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on three-line icon from the upper right of this interface. A drop-down menu will pop up. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down a bit. Then under Who can see your content, you will get an option as Hide Story and Live. Tap on there. Now again tap on Hide Story and Live from. Once you tap on there, all your Instagram followers list will be shown on this. So make sure you select all of them. Once you select all of them, head back. Now you have hidden your story from all your followers on Instagram. Now again, if you go back and add story to your Instagram account, no one will be able to see your story except you. So now what you can do is simply tap on Add to your story from the upper left corner of this interface. Now add any story that you would like to add to highlight. Now add this story to your Instagram account. Once your story is uploaded, now you can simply add this story to your highlight by tapping on this highlight icon from the bottom of this interface. Now you can create the highlight, then tap on View on Profile. Now the picture has been added to your highlights, and after 24 hours the story will get removed from your account. Then you can simply again customize your audience from the story back to normal, and that's how you can simply add highlight on Instagram without sharing it on story. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.